Hey guys, welcome to the video today. That's what we have in the background. This thing here, we got Mr. Trevor over there. This is a 2500 GMC heavy duty with the Dirty Max. So there she is. She's got the Allison transmission. 6.6 Dirty Max. This one is a 2009. So, and like I said, what we're going to be doing is rear brakes on it. Couple little tricks. You don't have to take everything apart, but we'll show you. But first thing you're going to need, you've got two 18s. You got one here and one on the bottom. You're going to get those off, and then that'll bring your caliper up. And what we'll do is we'll get those off. They're going to be tight. We'll get those off. We'll set everything up here, and we'll show you how to fix that. Okay, like I said, you got one 18 right there. That's probably the hardest one to get at, just because you got the leaf spring there to kind of deal with. But the other one is down and behind there at the bottom. One thing to remember too, make sure you got Loctite. I know these ones do have Loctite. Okay, so here's our brake. And what we need to do is to get these pads out. Okay, so you have your slide pins on the top here, these slide pins. This whole piece, we've got, well, first off, what we have to do is we have to compress, we got to compress the pistons. And I've got a Bessie clamp that will do that. But we'll put the pads down in here, and then we'll compress all these pistons this way. And then what that'll do is that'll release enough pressure in here that we can slide this bracket this way, and then we'll push those pads out through the bottom. Okay, and we'll show you once we get everything started here. Okay, so this is, I just got a Bessie clamp here, and as you can see, I'm using the brake pads on this side here to push the dual pistons. And we're just pushing the pistons back in just so that we can get the new pads in there. Okay, so as you can see, what we did is we pushed our caliper up to the point where we can pull the brake pads out the bottom. And then once we do that, we're going to take this whole piece here that holds the pads in. We're going to take it up and we're going to grease up the slide pins and everything. We'll show you that when we get there. Okay, so as you can see, we got this off now. So just lifting this out this way, that allowed us to sneak the brake pads out. And what we're going to do is we're going to get our new brackets on here. Doesn't look like there's a bracket on. Oh yeah, there's the brackets right there. So these brackets, we're going to get the new brackets on the ends there. Get those greased up. These pins here need to be cleaned. They are dirty, 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 dirty. There's just dirt and crap on those, so we'll get those cleaned up. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got the new clips on. I like to put some grease on here, and we're going to put some grease on this one as well. That's what the brake pads are actually going to slide on. So we'll get some grease on there. Like so, on the back side there too, there we go. And so that'll keep everything nice and smooth when it's all. So this is what you want to do to get the brake pads in here. You can see how we're just lifted up in there. And then you got to sit the brake pads down in there because they ride in on that rail right there that we greased up on the brackets. That's where they ride in on. So we got to get these in now. Okay, and as you can see, we got one brake pad in there right now. And then here you can see that, just back that up just a little bit. See that notch right there? That's what goes over that bracket right in there, that clip. And he's just gonna squeeze it down. We gotta open this up a little bit. There we go. Bob's your uncle. That's it. Okay, now it's just time to put everything back together. Got to push. Jesus. So it's good to have just an 18 mil ratcheting wrench to get everything tightened up. And then as you can see down here, right down there, you can see we got the for that one. Check your manufacturer's specs for your torque and things of that sort. But as you can see as well, we did use Loctite on there. Okay, and yeah, but anyway, we're just going to button this up, just tighten everything up, and we'll be all done. But I want to thank everyone for watching. If anybody does have any questions, comments, anything at all, just let me know. And I want to thank everybody for watching.